Hello. Now we're back. So remember we programmed the key for 2005 Toyota Sienna. We should wait like 16 minutes with the key on the ignition but at the off position. So now the 16 minutes are gone. So now we're about to say immobilizer has been successfully reset. I should be solid on remove insert key. So now we're just going to get the key out and put the key back on, and there's our taft light, you see. Okay, so at this point so right now if we close ignition on and off 5 times, we're gonna be able to start the engine like right away. Let me show you. So now we're gonna turn ignition and we still have the light flashing. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this time the truck is running. So everything was perfect defined with the machine hot wire. That's how we program Toyotas, with the hot wire. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remember, Geronimo Locksmith.